For those of us who might occasionally drive above the speed limit on public roads, speeding tickets are a specter that looms in the rearview mirror. But technology has stepped in to make the phantom of speeding tickets all the more real, as Lisa Barrow reports.
For most Americans, this is a very familiar scene. But what motorists don't see is what's behind the scenes, the latest technology in speed enforcement. One example is VASCAR Plus, which stands for Visual Average Speed Computer and Recorder.
Basically what we do is there's a shadow that's cast off from a vehicle or cast upon a vehicle by like an overpass or an overhead sign or something. And we use that shadow to check the speeds with the reference points.
How accurate is it?
It's very accurate. It's been used in the United States since the early 60s, and it's been modernized into a computer. And the odometer module, which we use to give us our distance, measures every 6.3 inches. So even if you miss the reference point by, a couple of feet, you're not going to be off that far.
U.S. law enforcement agencies are now taking a look at a unique system already used in Europe. It actually photographs speeders. As a vehicle enters the radar beam, a microcomputer checks the speed. If it's exceeding the speed limit, a photo is taken. And then a ticket is sent in the mail to the owner. Soon you may be seeing yet another device. This summer, more than 30 police departments nationwide will begin pilot testing the laser speed gun.
What you do, you simply target the target vehicle in the scope, put the crosshairs on the target vehicle, pull the trigger, and the instrument will give you a reading on that specific vehicle within a quarter to a half second.
Its maximum range is about 2,000 feet and is accurate within 1 mile per hour. But how safe is the laser speed gun?
The instrument is completely eye safe. We have to pass very stringent FDA eye safety classifications. Just to give you a feel, this instrument puts out 1/35th the amount of power and energy that the laser tag games put out that are currently on the market.
The laser also comes with some advantages.
The laser instrument sends out a very narrow beam of light so that the instrument can be targeted at one specific vehicle.
This eliminates the guesswork that is sometimes a problem with radar.
The other obvious advantage is that the laser instrument cannot be detected by radar detectors. A laser detector will be very difficult to develop because of the inherent narrow beam of the laser instrument.
The laser costs about the same as the most expensive radar unit, $3,000, but its manufacturer hopes to lower the price as more lasers are sold. Not every police force will be able to afford lasers. Hard-to-detect instant-on radar units are still more affordable. So while no longer as useful, the radar detector is not obsolete yet. So when you speed, remember, improvements in technology are making it even harder to avoid getting a ticket.